Hello friends, this is Monica here. Welcome back to my channel. Did you do the exercise 2 which I gave you yesterday? Okay. Here are the answers to exercise 2. Please check the answers for the class 2 topic. Okay, let's see the first one. Lion, common noun. King, common noun. Forest, common noun. Truth, quality. Ashoka, proper noun. Bravery, quality. 400, collective noun. Students, common noun. School, common noun. Honesty, quality. Policy, common noun. Childhood, state. Days, common noun. Wisdom, quality. Strength, quality. Cleanliness, quality. Godliness, quality. Team, collective noun. Match, common noun. Indians, proper noun. River, common noun. Ganga, proper noun. Let's get into the topic today, that is pronoun and its types. Let's see what is pronoun. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in the place of a noun. For example, I, you, we, he, she, it, they, etc. Types of pronouns. There are 10 types of pronouns. Let's see. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, impersonal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, distributive pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people. List of personal pronouns. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns. Subject pronouns. A subject pronoun is used as a subject or a predicate noun. Example, singular, I, you, she, he, it. Plural, we, you, they. Example, I know everything about you. It was she who did that. In these two sentences, I, it are subject pronouns. Object pronouns. An object pronoun is used as an indirect object, direct object, or object of a preposition. Example, singular, me, you, her, him, it. Plural, us, you, them. Examples, the teacher asked me to give my pen. The boys are coming with us. The boys are going with them. In these three sentences, me, us, them are object pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Nouns that show ownership are called possessive nouns. Example, Kirti's dress is more beautiful than Mohan's. Her dress is more beautiful than his. Singular. Mine, your, hers, his, it. Plural. Ours, yours, theirs. Impersonal pronouns. Impersonal pronoun is defined as when talking about weather or time, the word it should be used. It is the impersonal pronoun, supplying a subject for various verbs. Example: it is 2 o'clock now. It is my turn now. In these two sentences, it is called possessive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. By adding the word self to the personal pronouns in the singular and by adding the word selves to the personal pronouns in the plural is called reflexive pronouns. Example: singular: myself, yourself, himself, itself. Plural: ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Example: he did himself. They themselves committed the mistake. In these two sentences, himself, themselves are reflexive pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Pronouns who, whom, whose, which, and what are used for asking questions. These are called interrogative pronouns. For example, what is your name? Which do you want? Who she is? Whom are you talking about? Whose house is this? Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns point out or demonstrate specific persons, animals, places, things, and ideas. For example, this, that, these, those. This is my book. These are apples. That is my pencil. Those are monkeys. Indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to nouns in a general, indefinite sort of way. For example, all, any, another, anybody, anything, everybody, nothing, one, others, some, somebody, etc. Examples: somebody has taken my book. Nobody knows what happened. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are those that stand for the nouns before them. For example, who, which, whose, that, as, but. Examples: this is the person's whose book I bought. This is the man whom we met the other day. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns denote mutual action. Examples: the thieves cheated one another. The two girls hate each other. Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are so called because they refer to the persons or things considered individually, that is, one at a time and not collectively. For example, each, either, neither, everybody, everyone. Examples: neither of the brother is good. Everyone has his own problems. Each of the girls is given a chocolate. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe.